Ted Lange, Theodore William Lange III, Lange, born January 5, 1948, is an American actor, director, and screenwriter best known for his roles as bartender Isaac Washington in the TV series The Love Boat, 1977 to 1986, and Junior in That's My Mama, 1974-75.
Life's sweetest reward, let it flow. It floats back to you.